Hey guys, welcome back. It's JP with Max TR3 Revival. Today will not be Triumph related, but Honda related. Took my car in for, it's actually my wife's car. Took it in for a checkup and oil change, and they recommended that the differential fluid be changed. And, so I said, well, you know, how much? I think it was 140 or 145 bucks. Walked over to the parts department, chatted with the guy behind the counter. The two crush washers that you need, one for the fill hole and one for the drain hole. And 2 quarts of fluid recommended by Honda was $29 and some change. We're gonna get set up, grab a few tools, get ready to get it done. Here's all the parts I've needed except for my wrenches. Custom squeeze tube for the refill that I made up with some clear tubing and a band clamp and a little squeeze bottle from the dollar store. Crush washers for the drain hole and the fill hole. 2 quarts dual pump fluid, Honda, genuine. My driveway is a little bit of an angle, so I got the old fashioned, these came from my father, Sears and Roebuck, I think, ramps, still work great. So once I put it up on there, I'll pretty much be level. So yeah, let's get moving on it. Yep, that's what you need. Just got to get the rear end up so you can get up underneath of it. I'm not the smallest guy in the world, so I'm just trying to make it work for me. It's fairly level. So underneath, right here is the drain hole. You can see that. Sorry about the lighting. Spin around over here on the other side. And there's your fill hole right there. Get a socket. And we'll take those out. Let the fluid go. So my setup's a 3/8 socket. Fits inside. A little bit of a persuader bar. So it's the top half of my jack. Crack it loose and then drain. So you're gonna let that process take place. You got the magnetic catch. Looks pretty good. Wipe that off so we can put it back in. Next up, when I finish draining, is reinstall the bottom plug, and we'll torque that. And then remove the upper fill tube, and then we can start filling the bottle up one at a time. They make a really neat tool for this, but I don't have it. The amount of times I'm going to do this, I just went with a piece of clear tubing and a squeeze bottle. Old crush washer taken off, new ones put back on, and wiped drain plug clean. Did have a little bit of stuff on it, but nothing major, no chunks, so you're good there. If you don't have any chunks, you're good. So ready for the next squeezing from my cheapo fill bottle. See if we can get a little camera footage. So just got to put the tube in up there and then squeeze. All right, kind of hard to set this up, but I'm gonna climb up under here and get it full of what it looks like, but I'm using 2 hands instead of 1. Well, there you go. That's the sign. When you fill it up and it starts leaking back out of the hole, that means it's full. New crush washer on the fill hole and button her up. Okay, only thing left to do is torque it for the torque settings. I found it's between 30 and 35, so I'll set that now. Here we go. There, hear that little click? that's the one. All set. Only thing left to do now is clean up. Also bring it down off the lift and get all my stuff out from underneath. Well, one last thing you got to do whenever you're doing maintenance on the car is give it a good bath. So I think we're gonna try and do that and finish up this video. And there we go. Took me a little longer than I thought, but nice day. Worked out. It's all done.